Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Once again, welcome to the online session with the lesson Journey to Freedom. And today our topic is short question and vocabulary from your exercise booklet. So please open exercise booklet pages 70 and 71. On 71 page of your exercise booklet, you would find this short question: how does twist of events bring a change in Abigail's character? So the answer is Abigail shows inner strength when she goes to collect some herbs to help the old lady who is severely sick. So it means that Abigail helped that lady who was very sick and she got fever and she needed assistance with something to decrease that temperature and fever. So but she showed her inner strength and courage, and she went to collect some herbs, some plants. Question number 2. Abigail's father warns her about fields having eyes and ears. What does he mean by this? Answer. Her father convinces Abigail to get some herbs for the sick lady, but asks her to be careful. On her way back, she is confronted by her neighbor. He asks why she is in a hurry. So she bravely makes up a fake story so they won't get caught. So it means that by having eyes and ears, about the field having eyes, it means that you must be careful that the other people shouldn't see you, because they were helping those slave people in their escape. So that's why her father is very careful. But she took care of herself and then that matter diligently and carefully. Question number 3. Why is Abigail looking for the herb? Answer. Abigail is looking for some herbs because she wants to help the old lady with the herb who is suffering from severe fever. So the purpose of searching herbs to help that lady. So mince herbs to make a tea for her, and later on she got better. So that was the purpose that she was searching. Now moving to the second topic, that is vocabulary words. Write the meanings of the following words. So you would find on page 72 of your booklet. Disposed. Disposed means to be willing or likely to do something. Disposed means to be willing or likely to do something. Eavesdropping. Eavesdropping means to listen to someone's private conversation without them knowing. That you secretly listen to someone. That's called eavesdropping. Fortitude, bravery over a long period. Fortitude means bravery, courage, but not for a little time, for a long time, for a long period. Fortitude. Infinite or infinite, without limits, extremely large or great. It's called infinite or infinite. Retaliation, the action of hurting someone or do something harmful to them because they have done or said something harmful to you. Again, Retaliation means the action of hurting someone or do something harmful to them because they have done or said something harmful to you. Rigors. Rigors mean forceful or extremely strict obedience of rules. Rigors mean forceful or extremely strict obedience of rules. Next word is stoop. Stoop means to bend the top half of the body forward and down. Again, stoop means to bend the top half of the body forward and down. And the next word, undaunted. Undaunted means still determined and enthusiastic despite problems or no success. Undaunted means still determined and enthusiastic despite problems or no success. Now, dear students, you would find this definition or meaning a little bit longer than you would expect, but simply these explanation and this meaning really explain the true meaning of these words. But if we write only the synonym or only one word meaning, it couldn't explain enough that your mind should grasp completely the meanings and all aspects of that word. That's why it's necessary. I believe that these explanation, proper explanation or meaning, are necessary to proper understanding of these words. Homework: revise these short questions with answer and words with meanings, and then use the words in your sentences. Thank you very much and have a nice day.